Yo, what's going on, everybody? Audio check, mic check, mic check. Let me know how you guys can hear me. Let me know how the audio's coming in, if the music's too loud, too low, and how are you guys doing today? All those things are important. What's going on, everybody? Mic level pretty low. All right, let me try to adjust that real quick. Oh, damn. Yeah, that's what I did. Hold on. Should be good now. Let me know how it's coming through now. And while I'm preparing, if you guys can hear me well enough, go ahead and hit my Twitter page. And I did pin to the top of my Twitter page a giveaway. So you guys got an opportunity to win something throughout the stream. Why not win something for being here and engaging? So why not definitely participate? And yeah, better get my phone. Got you. Like it. All right, so fix this. And how are you guys feeling about the market today, man? So yesterday we got the CPI data, and then today we had the FOMC meeting, and kind of the way people thought it was going to go, but not the reaction that people wanted to see in the market, though. I don't feel like. Give me 2 seconds and I'll be popping on. Yo. And before I get into any charts or anything, this is the post right here, guys. So if you guys have not got to it just yet, we got this, and you guys got to follow a couple things and get entered to win it. And I'm actually going to, let me post a picture of the NFT that we're going to give away. Couple eyeballs, you know what I mean? So you guys know what you guys are actually winning. But yeah, what's going on, everybody? I see we had Baby Fat in the building. What's going on, Baby Fat? Peter came in, told me he did not like the elevator music. He said he was clapping with it, though. He said, I mean, it had enough rhythm for him to clap with it, but he was not a big fan of the elevator music at all. So may have to go back to the drawing board for that. He said he's gonna take his $6 back, which in turn made me do this face with the creepy eyes. So yeah, trying to avoid that. What's going on, Omar Flight Club? What, another giveaway?
Another one.
Yeah, another giveaway, Omar. Another one. Hey, I like the fact it's like the music moved him, but it moved him ugly. You know what I mean? It made him clap a little bit, but he didn't like the vibe. Okay, so I can deal with that. That's something that I can build off of, you know what I mean, and kind of go from there. I don't know if I'm feeling the new emojis or not. Like, what is this? What is this? Like, is this a laughing, spitting whale, or like, what are we doing here? I understand he's full laugh, but if he laughs like this, he needs to laugh in a room by himself, because if a whale laughs on me like that, that's just unacceptable. But yeah, get this tweet out, man. Make sure you're retweeting. Keep in mind, you got to tag one project, so that is the only stipulation. That is so we can actually weed out bots. Bots have not caught on to that just yet. Once they do catch on to me doing that, then I'm gonna switch it up to something different that maybe they won't catch on to. So yeah. But yeah, this is a way to weed out bots for some giveaways, man. So get that retweet in. Give you guys some time to do that. Meantime, we can look at the charts and kind of what's going on currently right now in the market. So we got a 17K Bitcoin, so $17,739 for Bitcoin. It says it's down about 0.3%. There was a pump previously, which we'll look at Bitcoin and we'll look at Ethereum's chart and kind of look at what support and resistance levels we got left to kind of, I guess, bounce off of in between this time period and the downtrend that we have going on right this second. Ethereum is at $1,292. It was previously over $1,300, but it did decrease a bit. As you'll see on the chart, you'll see the wick from the price action of where it was previously versus where it is currently right now, and it says it's down about 2.1%. Look at the rest of the market. BNB is at about 266, which BNB really doesn't move too much, man, but it's down about 3.8% right now. XRP down 2%, 38 cents. What we got? Doge is at 8 cents right now currently, so down 4.2%. It's a lot of different sales. 89 cent Polygon, so Polygon is still up there but only down about 3%. Let's see, Solana 14.42. Crow is still at 6 cents, man. I'm telling you, man, Crow is just permanently almost like stuck or locked in at 6 cents, man. Real. See if you guys can see this. All right, so you can see where it got rejected right here, but you can see the wicks from the price action where it went up to this downtrend line that we got right here. This time it went above and got rejected, so it did retest and get rejected again, come back down, and now it got rejected at this level, came down, and we've been kind of having a downtrend since. As you can see from this price action right here, that it did go below this support level and then got pushed back up. So we'll see if it comes down underneath it, then uses this as a resistance or not. So if it uses that as a resistance, then we may come down a bit further to possibly our next strongest level of support, which is probably around like 12.21 or so. That's just what it looks like to be right this second. It could bounce back up and try to go retest this level again, but like I said, the downtrend line is pretty damn close to pushing this down along with the other resistance levels. So we'll see if it follows the downtrend and the resistance levels also. If I need to enter the giveaway, cause it's a Davy Crockett hat with the tear. It's my twin. Is it really your twin? Do you have one like that? Man, it's giveaway for everybody, bro. If you wanna enter, man. You just gotta tag your favorite project. You just gotta tag your favorite project, and you're all good. And you are solito. What's going on, Justa Grover? What's the word, man? How you feeling today, man? So if I put Move it back a little bit. Put this back in this hot pocket here that we got going on. You see where it got rejected right here, and then where it's bouncing off at, really at the bottom of this bar right here. So we're waiting on it to see if it's gonna break past this point. If it breaks past this point, then we're probably coming down a little bit. Matter of fact, let me go see Bitcoin. So Bitcoin had quite a run too. Got to $18,378 about. Then got rejected around. We got pushed back to around this range. We'll really start about right there. So we're looking for this to kind of break out past this point again. So if it goes back up, retest, and it breaks out, then we may have something. Other than that, we may get pushed down some more and come back down to the 17, well closer to the 16,000 range, really.
Bruh.
Yeah. What's going on, Skara? Shakara, I believe it is Shakara, if I'm saying it right. What's good, everyone? Hey, Cuff, hey, Justin, man, what's up? How you feeling today? Did you guys? I can't even read today. Did you get to know your teens a bit? Damn, you gotta read Omar shit slow as hell. Did you get to know your teens a bit? Are they respecting your private space, and are they used? Are you talking about teens for the project, bro? Is that what you're talking about? You gotta be talking about like the bull teens, bro. Like, you just threw me off with that comment. I'm like, did you know that? I'm like, who? What? Omar be throwing me off with his comments. I'm like, the teens. I'm like, we only have one teen here. Yeah. Bro, that was random. It went from the meat slapper to that, and I'm just, you know what I mean? Like the conversation's kind of all over the place, so I didn't really know that was going. Yeah, I think you got to put BAP teens with that one. Like, you just throw out teens. I think he understood. He might have understood what you meant though. Or I know you know what you mean. I wonder where everybody's pictures are on the emojis, but this is the week scale too, so you can see we're still in the same downtrend also, which is what I wanted to show you guys. And we're getting a little bit higher up on that channel, so I think we may come down just a little bit. I would like to come down just a little bit. But as you can see, it also, if it breaks past this level, it has a little bit of room to run. Same thing on ETH though. Like, you look at it, it breaks past this point right here. It still got a little bit of room to run, the same way that Bitcoin does.
Bruh.
On the Tuesday.
Ain't even Tuesday, Omar. What's going on, Tone? What's up, Tone? How you feeling, man? Welcome to the building. Oh yeah, for anybody new, tap in with this giveaway, y'all. Make sure that you're retweeting, tell a friend, and yeah, we're gonna be giving away this gentleman right here, which Omar seems to be you know what I mean, quite fond of it. You know what I mean? Chart looking okay. You think the chart looks okay? I mean, it looks pretty healthy to me. You know what I mean? This but this is keep in mind, this is on a week span, so we're on a week time frame right now. So if you zoom back out to 1 day, like I said, you can see the price action to where it ran to. It went to about 1350 almost. And now it may be getting can't talk today. Maybe getting to a point to where if it doesn't hold this level right here, that it's gonna come down to around this range, and then it's gonna try to take some of the other levels out. But we'll see. Volume has been picking it up, so we'll see how it goes. Still currently on a uptrend if you look at it from this perspective, though. It's still higher highs and higher lows as of right now. So this was the low beforehand. New high, new low, new high, new low. It's not going beneath it as of right now. So until it like breaks this level around this range is where I feel like we kind of break out of that uptrend and maybe in a little bit of trouble from there. So a little bit more pain coming. Yeah, there's some good different things. I mean, the only thing was that so many people were trying to long and short the market, and they were getting wrecked with that. You know what I mean? So if you were long in the market and you didn't pull out and take profits before the news came out, and you thought it was going to continue going up, a lot of people lost a lot of money. You know what I mean? Especially if you were over leveraging. Got pretty ugly. It was definitely some shorts to get liquidated, longs get liquidated. But overall, a good day in crypto, if you say so. A lot of people made a decent amount of money. I don't think the downtrend is done just yet, but there could be some volume to come in. I mean, the market is volatile as hell right now, so it'll be interesting to kind of see how things play out. So. A lot of people get in trouble by not pulling. Yeah, man, it's a real issue, man. Especially in situations where you get liquidated. Like that's a real thing. And if you even look at the smaller market cap market there, I don't know how it looks, but the some of the blue chips were taking some pretty big hits as the market was dropping. It did recover a little bit, but it was while Powell right before Powell was speaking, it was definitely getting some combos thrown at it. So I don't know how many people were fond of that, but it wasn't the most fun of events if you had like a short or a long in and you misinterpreted the market. I was paying attention to this downtrend line, even though I just threw it up mockly. I just threw a mock line up there. It seems to be holding pretty well, so I just left it. So still got rejected right here, went above, rejected again. So we'll see if it go back up to retest again, and if this downtrend holds or if it just continues to progress down. So we see. So it's either gonna break up and break out of this trend and keep going up, or it's gonna probably break into a downtrend again. So moment of truth within these next couple of days and see what the chart kind of gives us at that moment, or the market rather, not even really the chart. Oh yeah, most definitely, guys. If you got a couple seconds, man, check out the form that Omar did tweet out, man. It's to get the Flight Club project prepared for flight, tokenized. It's 0.02 Ethereum minting right now. Multiple different prizes inside of the actual mint itself. But if it could be utilized as far as a utility to be making meth, it's like, one, why not? Two, it helps the ecosystem and gives people a leg to stand on as far as getting in the project, because some of these project floors, once they announce they're making meth, the floor shoots up and the average person doesn't have enough time to get in there and make the transactions, because man, people are grabbing them because they understand the value of meth at a low cost. And by meth, I mean the methane tokens within the Bulls and Apes project. So there's a lot of people that are after it. So we can make it at 0.02 in the mint. Price doesn't go up. I feel like, one, the mint will probably fly, you know what I mean, which is a good thing. We mint out, we get to give the prizes out, we get to continue to build the ecosystem, and you guys get to see how we restructured and kind of made things different within the next things going forward. So then a couple other things are coming in the near future that I'm not going to announce yet, but I'm trying to structure. And our platform still being built on the back end. I got a meeting on Thursday for that to get an ETA as far as when that's going to be out, and when we can roll a couple other cool perks out along with some giveaways. Got to keep the giveaways up. All the names asked for on the form are okay. So you basically got all the names labeled out for you guys too. So yeah, check that out, man. Check that out, guys. Give me 2 seconds. We're gonna go ahead and take a short break, and then we'll be right back at it. We're gonna get into look at some smaller market cap tokens, and I'm also gonna roll into that you know what I mean, looking at some NFTs, because that's what it's really about. This market was just super finicky, and I wanted to touch on that, but the second half I really wanted to be about NFTs and stuff like that. So we'll look at some smaller market caps and then roll into some NFT talk. And I'll tell you guys how I've been actually making some money on NFTs during this bearish ass market and not getting wrecked by crypto projects during this time period. So let you guys know that in a couple seconds. Be right back. Hang in there with me. All right. Thank you guys for hanging around. Greatly appreciate it. Like I said, we're gonna dive into some smaller market caps first. Then we'll get into some NFT stuff. We won't really dwell too much on this. This is one I don't really pull the chart up much, but there was some progress. Then a bit of a sell-off, but I've been paying attention to different levels here, also on Vote. So looks like they had a pump one above and then sold off, and they're coming back down to a stronger level of support, which this is like this range right here. As long as it holds, I'll make the line yellow. As long as it holds up that range right there, and maybe trade sideways, it can go below it. And as long as it retests and goes back up and uses it as a support, this may be the spot where it starts its next leg at. If not, it's probably going to come down to around this range where you see the point of control. That this is the point of control. If you scroll back, you kind of see this is around that range right here where it's kind of playing and bobbling at, where it's underneath right now. So yeah, so we get some more volume in there. It might be another leg for this one, depending on it. This is just me looking at the chart, or it could downtrend to its next level. So that's another thing that you want to pay attention to. Like I said, just briefly looking at some things. I'll pull this one up because I pulled it up previously, and we talked about it. I actually told people that I felt like this was going to retrace to around like $1 and some change again. Some people thought that it would not. I mean, it's a good chance that it still might not. Let me back this line down. It should be right here. But it looks like it's playing around those ranges. So it may $1.91 is really where I was thinking that it may stop for a soft level of support. If not, the next range would probably be around like $1.32 or so. I'll have to map this out on a different time frame, because it looks like it's getting rejected around these levels. As you can see, as it downtrends, it creates more levels of resistance above it. Next support level will probably be around this range, so it has to hold up around here. It'll probably come down to the next levels, another soft level right here, but I don't know if that'll hold if this doesn't. So that'll be like $1. I think my ideal point probably would be like $1.36 if it gets down to that range. That's really before it kind of catapulted a little bit. So if I can get it around that, that'd be cool. If not, it may come down a little bit lower. I don't know if people are allowed to come down that lower, but the market is a bit finicky. So you know what I mean? To each his own on that one. So guys, let me know how you feel about that. Look at Saitama. So Saitama low key has been on a decent little run, and we're on a bit of an uptrend for a little bit, you know what I mean? So got rejected as it was trying to go to this higher level of resistance right here, and as it gets rejected, it comes down a little bit. So we'll see where it tries to settle in. To me, this would be a good range for it to bounce off, kind of trade sideways, kind of maintain the momentum that it had, and maybe keep up and try to take another leg and another go at this level right here. But we'll see how that does pan out. All right, and we don't have anything else with really too much volume right this second. We check on Baller's token really quick. Seems to be maintaining this range right here. This is a token right here that's actually maintaining a zone. It's like trading sideways. People are holding the floor of this, and more people are coming in. Hey, what's going on, Cat T? What's up? What's up? I see you in the building. What's up? What's up? But yeah, it's trading sideways. I'm actually waiting on this one to get some type of announcement or breakout or some type of volume, because as of right now, it's low volume all around pretty much for a lot of smaller market cap tokens. But let's get into some NFT talk. Let me refresh. Top cryptocurrencies lost earlier gains after the Federal Reserve signaled interest rates to keep rising into 2023. But we knew that already. What you crying for, Omar? I told you that they weren't done. They still got their foot on the gas right now, and they need to still combat this inflation rate. So they need to do something, you know what I mean? So they can't just stop increasing the interest rates, right? Just not right this second, you know what I mean? Like, gotta still maintain and do something. I probably would have did 0.75, you know what I mean? That's just me though. 75 basis points. Get it out the way, see if we can chip at it. Market falls, but shit, 50 basis points was still a pretty good shock to the market, and it pumped for a little bit and then it went down right after Powell started speaking, and they heard more coming, more or less, regardless to how big or small it is. And 50 is still aggressive. Chilling, good to see you. Okay, that's what's up. I'm glad you're in the building. Some were saying 50. It did we got 50 basis points. But really quick, let's go over these floor prices for the Flight Club NFTs. This is as you guys know, the first four. If you've been here before, you already know. First four, we got 1.25, which is, even with each price, is about $1,600 right now, which is not horrible after all the other ones are kind of priced a bit high. Then we got the next ones with the pilot hats. This is pretty much the head traits. We got 1.2, 1.3, 1.6, and then it goes up to 2 ETH pretty quick. So I actually like this one for 2.2 ETH. This is not a bad steal. This is a ghost pilot. Somebody recently put this one up for sale, and I actually like this one. Might have. I don't know. I just don't know. All right, and the last one, we got one at 1.25 ETH, so 1.2 ETH seems to be the floor, about 1.2 ETH to get into the Flight Club for all of the 7 traits that we got going right now. So that's what you're looking at for the entry price into the Flight Club. Now, if you're trying to just get into the Bulls and 8 period, damn, we're at a 1 ETH floor. Damn. Wow. Congratulations to everybody who came on this journey with me and decided to take that leap of faith, because I don't know if you guys remember it. Within this community, I started a hell of a buzz as far as like with Bulls and Aces. I was pushing the hell out of that shit, and no, I did not get paid for it. It was just something that I was passionate about and decided to do content on, you know what I mean, and actually make a trade group for. If I do content on things, I allow people to understand that I'm doing content. On my profile, it says it's a sponsor. I'll let you know it's a profile sponsor, stuff like that. Have the logo up and such. But other than that, it's just me talking about products that I actually believe in. I know multiple different people that bought at least a maxed out wallet or more Bulls, you know what I mean, which means that you went from paying 0.17 to that 0.17 being worth 1 ETH. So congratulations to everybody who made a little bit of money with this, man. So every single asset that you have in your wallet is currently valued at 1 Ethereum. So pat yourself on the back. Maybe go grab something to eat, man. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. But besides that, man, you guys got a couple more minutes in, and I'm gonna go ahead and run the giveaway for this gorgeous NFT. He's crying, but he's crying because he wants to find a new home, guys, and we got to figure out who we're gonna give him to tonight. So you guys just go ahead and retweet this, follow the instructions. As long as you do all of that good stuff, you are good to go. You're in it to win it, and you don't have to worry about anything. I'll get that sent out to you ASAP, as I do get super distracted. So get it right to you. Plus, like I said, man, we always have like a mental threshold inside of the Twitter Spaces, man. We hit that threshold, we probably will be giving something else out in the space. Don't even know if I made this space, so you guys might need me to do that first. Did I make it? Let me see. All right, sorry about that. I had to solve that problem. I did not make the Twitter Space, and I'm like, I can't tell people to go to a Twitter Space if there is not one of. So, guys, got about, I'll give you 2 or 3 more minutes or so to go ahead and retweet this tweet, and yeah. So after that, we'll go ahead and run the Twitter picker that I already have set up, guys. So like I said, 2 or 3 minutes you guys got to retweet. Tell a friend to retweet that they might be able to win a toy Mori that definitely has multiple different purposes. They're really cool. You can ask a lot of different people that are in the community that have them in their possessions and own some toy Moris. There's a really good cause to it. When you actually get the in real life toy that is registered on the blockchain, you give another toy to a kid in real life, which is actually really cool also. But a bunch of different benefits, man, that we're gonna have to go over, and we'll be hitting some different points inside of the actual space too. So tune into that space that is in like 48 minutes, guys. Everybody's welcome. Hopefully we get a decent turnout for that. Like I said, we will definitely probably do a giveaway if we get a decent turnout for the space, man. So let me know how you guys are feeling, man. Yeah, man, we'll be right back. Let me get this set up. Bang, bang. So hopefully everybody had enough time, man. Like I said, man, that short break was enough time for me. So we got 18 retweets on it, so we're gonna go ahead and run this Twitter picker on this, man. People are definitely missing out on this one, so let's run it through. Let's go ahead and pick our winner. Let's see who did follow the instructions and who wants to win this Toy Mori. We got some good people in the mix. That's what I like to see, baby. All right, let's see who wins. There can only be one. Is Ben Lemer in the chat. We got let's go ahead and throw our timer on. We got that 1 minute timer. If Ben Lemer is lurking in the chat, you just won a Toy Mori, but you know how we get down. You got a 1 minute timer to respond, and we got 50 seconds left in that 1 minute timer. So Ben Lemer, if you're around, you just won that Toy Mori. Is crying right now, waiting on you to retrieve it. And that's an alpha right there, boy. Getting into that joint and got the alpha. My twin gets separated, man. You're gonna have to make an offer on it. I don't know, Omar. Is there 20 seconds left and another chance? We got 4, 3, 2. Yeah, man. All right. Let's re-rock it. All right. So Zane 1115. Zane 1115. You got a 1 minute timer. Chime in. Let me know what's going on. And like I said, you just got to tag one project. I'm sure you tag Toy Mori because you're Toy Mori'd out. I like it. Got another one. So we got 30 seconds. So Zane, if you're in the building, chime in. Let me look at that 1E floor one more time. That's crazy, y'all. Because it was what was it, 0.91 last time I looked. It's just one of them days. Well, floor is just Mr. Nasty time. Uh-oh, y'all heard it. Re-rock. And we got our boy Crypto Tone. Crypto Tone, you in the building. Let me smack that timer. That's a Flight Club member right there, man. You know what I mean? It's a Flight Club member, man. See if he out here winning these Toy Moris, man. He got 49 seconds to. Hey, there go my boy right there in the building, baby. Congratulations, my boy. Man, and I'm telling you, you can't fake stuff like this, man. You got to be in the building, man. Support him, man. I think sometimes it like searches support out. You know what I mean? What up, Hambone? Been working overtime today, listening to streams and vibes. Always, yeah, man. I'm telling you, man. I appreciate that, man. I'll try to keep a good vibe, man. Have some fun out here. Cat T trying to win it too. I see you. Omar, it's okay. It's going to a good home. Congratulations, my boy. Yeah, man. So just send just because I don't be trying to scroll all through the message, man. Just send me the ETH Addy one more time. That way I can send that out, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me see something really quick. Whoa. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's a nice joint right there. I'm not gonna lie to you. Crypto Clips saying, what's going on? I'm here just listening and working on things. Okay, okay. Yeah, I know you over there making real magic, man. When you told me you can make something come out of the logo, man, what? You need that little giant noise. What? That's literally, oh, either that I need to record myself playing Fortnite. Apparently that's the noise I'll make when I die. Tones, treat him well. Bring him to bed at 7, because otherwise he will be grumpy in the morning. Just take me out the entire game, coach. Like, just, you know what I mean? Hold on 1 second. Man, and I just tapped that button, so give it a couple seconds, man, and apparently you some kin to Omar now. So congratulations, and I'm sorry at the same time. But yeah, what's going on, Shane? How you feeling today, man? What's up, man? What's going on? Hey, Shane, did you see every Bulls and Ace, man? I'm gonna brag for a little bit about this, man, because I'm not gonna say I told y'all so, but it's stuck in my throat a little bit. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna say I told y'all so though. I was trying to get some people in. I had told a couple people, told a lot of y'all a long time ago. Price went down. Y'all should have grabbed it. Not financial advice. I'm sorry, my throat. Where's the juice? All right, I'm good now. That's crazy. Let me see what else to it. What I miss. He doesn't like hugs, but likes it when you what?
Bruh.
Boy, what are we doing here? Yeah, I don't know. I don't have a Davy Crockett hat. I think that might be the reason, Omar, why I don't have one. Cause I didn't know that was a requirement. If that's a requirement, I can't be in your club, big fella. It's just not gonna work out. You know what I mean? Oh man, let's go check on the team floor. If this is smacking 1 ETH, what we looking at for the teams right now? Almost 0.2. Yeah, a couple under 0.2. The right way. Okay. Oh, people are buying them too, Damn, they got what? 0.25. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, man, there's some really good prices out here, guys, and I've been making some solid returns within this ecosystem. Yeah, it's getting wild over here. Bubblegum Kid. What's going on, Galaverse? What's the word? What's the word? Tell me you grabbed some of these bulls and A's, man. The floor went brazy. Of those orbs are easy flip. Yeah, I don't want to flip them though. See, I need to keep that, because if they minting ice guys or whatever else they doing with it, I need one. You know what I mean? I need ends on that. The God Bulls, which I didn't even look at that. What is the God Bulls priced at right now? So basically the God Bulls are priced at 5 ETH. Wait a minute. That's crazy. 6,200 bucks. You want a God Bull? The highest ETH offer right now. Let me zoom in on that, John, bro. The highest ETH offer right now is 3.1 ETH. And I think this is a bot that's offering this. And you can get $4,000 right now. Just if you go click a button on a standard. The epics are at 7.8, was at 8, then went up to 10 pretty quick. Man, I would like for that, man. That would work out, because I need a West. I need a rest pretty damn bad, I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, man, it's multiple different ways to make gains within this market right now. This ecosystem has been killing it right this second, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And that's one of the reasons that I've actually been making a decent amount of money messing around with this, as far as Bulls and Apes and what they have brought to their ecosystem. You can pretty much see the value that they have in not even just the floor price, just in the how they're running the business itself. And I think that's a big thing. They're making it exciting for people. The whales are not trying to go anywhere. They're accumulating more. The floor price is ridiculous at this point. The volume is getting ridiculous at this point, and that's what you see in those projects to kind of go parabolic. But we'll see. Verdict is still out. I wanna see how this does, and where we kind of go from here. So. But yeah, that's crazy. But yeah, man, let me know if you guys got any. I'm just looking through the floor and looking at these different things. Like it's pretty crazy, man. We're gonna talk more about it inside of the space. Like I said, if the space has a decent turnout, we'll do a giveaway also. We checked out the charts, looked at some different things, man. I really wanted to do a couple different things, man, on here, but I got a little bit distracted, and I'm not gonna lie to you, this floor price is crazy. And like my boy Tone said, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna make me a sandwich too for this space, which I got 30 minutes to do real quick. So y'all let me know if y'all got any questions, thoughts, anything like that. Let me know. As you guys know, as not a sandwich pub, but just letting you guys know, you already know, we got the mint going for 0.02 right this second. We got Toy Moris, we got a lot of different things inside of our mint, multiple different ETH prizes, anything from our reward platform, basically the NFT that you can utilize on that, memberships that we're actually working out, discounts we're working on. It's a bunch of different things we're working on, and are coming to a theater near you very, very soon, guys. So just stay tuned and pay attention. I feel like this full idea of the ecosystem is actually going to start coming to flourishing, and people will understand where we're kind of going with this. So definitely excited. And guys, remember there's an OG in our Prepare for Flight raffle. Yeah, that's that part. You know what I mean. There is an OG inside of our raffle. So that part is definitely a real thing. So I'm actually anxious to get rid of that OG and get somebody onboarded. Which to be honest, I didn't know that it was going to be worth an ETH when we gave it away. But that's pretty cool though. You know what I mean. So we'll see where things go, man. That should be a pretty fun occasion. I think we're gonna have more than enough time to have some growth within it. So if you guys want to strategize or anything else, man, you guys are welcome to come into the space, man. We can chop it up and go over strategies or wherever else. Cleric is one of my boys who's been going over some stuff. We may even be doing some videos together, man. He's reached out to do some things, so we'll see how that pans out. But I'm not seeing too many questions, so I'm gonna go ahead and bam, cut that music. I noticed Cuff is struggling with the OG to detach himself from it. What OG? What's one we talking about? I'm actually working on getting another one there. But yeah, you guys let me know how you guys are feeling. I'll see you in the space in about 28 minutes, guys. Won't hold you guys up anymore, but I'm glad you guys came. Keep cuffing that dip. And also, you guys remember it's Beyond Crypto, and enjoy life and get inside of that space and you know what I mean? Ask some questions, man, and learn a little bit further about what's going on. I'm out of here, guys. Enjoy your night.